This is Amarjot Singh one more time. This is in Edmonton. I'm talking to people on Facebook. And today is, what is the date today? October 6th. October 6th, so close to about 11 o'clock in Edmonton time. It should be around 10:30 India time and other places. And I'm here to talk about immigration as usual. And anybody who's watching or hearing my voice, maybe on the smartphones, you can type your question on it on the comment section, all right, on the Facebook, and I can read your question and I'll pretty much tell you if I know the answer. If I don't know the answer, I'll tell you if I don't know the answer. If you want to call me in Canada, my number directly, I have a phone with me. It's a small phone, but it works, of course, all right. 780-707-4831. From dialing from India, it's 001-780-707-4831. You can call me direct, and you can ask me a question. Gosh, who is this guy? Gary Sharma has joined quickly. Gary Sharma, what's your question? Hello, are you doing skilled workers program? Yes, Gary Sharma, I do skilled worker program. What do you mean by skilled worker program? Are you talking about express entry? Are you talking about work permit? Are you talking about job placement, or what are you talking about? Just be very clear. Why don't you give me a call directly on my number in Canada, 780-707-4831, then I can understand your question better, or you type in detail, all right, so that I know. I wanted to talk to you today. First of all, I did mention about the citizenship changes yesterday, and how those changes will affect people who are applying for citizenship. It's becoming easier. Instead of 4 years, now you have to spend only 3 years after PR in the last 5 years. So that's what it is. Gary Sharma, I talk about LMO like welder job. Gary Sharma, I do not do job placement. I have talked to many people in this forum and elsewhere that I'm not a job broker. I'm not a manpower consultant. I'm not a wheeler dealer selling jobs and arranging and going to employer and saying, hey, hire this person, give me this money. I am into immigration law practice. I don't have license for finding jobs. A lot of people overseas, they think they can get the job easily by paying money. That is not the norm in Canada. Some people are selling jobs by charging money. That's the business. It's wrong, it's unlawful, it's illegal in Canada. So anybody who's promising you anything, about jobs, they better have some documentation to show that, what are they charging for. So I don't deal in job placement, but if you have an employer, I can do the LMIA for you. LMIA will cost $1,000 in government fees plus advertising and other things. It will take 3-4 months. All right. So I hope you understand. Thank you very much. Gokurna Nipunej. Hi, hello, are you? Amjad Ali. Hello, sir. Can I apply cleaner factory worker, poetry farm from Pakistan? Yes, Amjad Ali, you need a job. Amjad Ali, get a job and then you can get the work permit. Same question, all right. Victor Tram, hello, sir. How about NOC 6232 real estate? What do you mean 6232 real estate? What do you want to do? Do you want to apply for express entry? What are you asking? Be very clear. Victor Triumph. Mohammad Abdul Rahman has joined. Can anyone provide work? No, Mohammad Abdul Rahman. Work permit is difficult. Mohammad Rahman, can I get your number? I just announced my number in Canada. My number is 780-707-4831. You can dial in Canada. That's my area code number. If you're dialing from Pakistan or some other country, you may have to dial like your code 001 or something. All right. So just check with your operator 001-780-707-7831. Amir Khan, sir, rejected case in express entry. Can you help? Yes, of course, Amir Khan. I do help in express entry cases which have been refused. I need to see the refusal letter. I need to see the charge. I need to see the section, what they have levied, and then I can discuss whether we can appeal it or we can fight it, or we have to go all the way as a fresh applicant. So that's what I do. I am in the business of immigration law practice. I'm not a visa agent. I'm not a job broker agent. I will take cases especially for appeal if it has to be fought with Immigration Refugee Board, or directly argue with the Citizenship Immigration Canada over some refusal. Maybe we can reopen the case and talk about the law, because I deal in the law. I don't deal in just paperwork, right? Gokarna Nipune, I would like to come to Canada for chef. Gokarna Nipune, if you are a chef, You will apply under Express Entry under Federal Skilled Trade class. For this, you need a job offer. Yeah, are you in Canada? If you're in Canada, you must apply for journeyman certificate. If you're not in Canada, then you need a job offer to apply in the trade class, and that is the requirement for the chef. So that's the reality right now. Amjad Ali, send me visa details. What are the visa details talking about? You can get all the visa details on the Government of Canada website. Do you have a specific question for me, Amjad Ali, that I can answer that question? If you're asking me to give me the visa details, it's like asking me, can you tell me something about Shakespeare? I mean, there's a lot of things to talk about Shakespeare, but even if you have a specific question. Respected sir, E.R. Subhash Kumar. What is the meaning of E.R.? I don't understand. E.R. Subhash Kumar. Respected sir, I'm not respected, by the way. Take it easy. My name is Amarja. No need to call respected. I'm a mechanical engineer passenger. I want a job in Canada. How can I apply? For a job, gosh, you have to go to Google. You have to go to Monster. You have to talk to employers directly. And that's how you can do. Mohammed Abdul Rahman, you deal with study visa? Yes, I deal with study visa. If you have a student who wants to take admission, I talk to some universities and we can help you get admission. And then once we have the admission, we file for study visa, or you can file it on your own if you want to. Yes, the question is, do you deal with it? Yes, the answer is yes, I do deal with study visa. Victor Triumph, sir, my point is NOC 6232 real estate under Express Entry. Yes, 6232. Let me see, let me just check for 6232. I will check quickly. 6232. What is 6232? Real estate agent and salesperson, is that what you are? What country are you in? I mean, are you working as a real estate broker, or be very clear, what are you working as? Let me just do some research about 6232, if that's the category you have, and I'll let you know in a few seconds as soon as this website loads. 6232. 6232 is a eligible category for Express Entry, is a B class category. So yes, you can apply under this category, Victor Tramp. You can apply under this category in Express Entry if you have enough points. That means English and education experience. And also, yes, that is an eligible category. Lata Chauhan, I'm electrical engineer with what are the chances of job and PR? Lata Chauhan, you apply for PR directly. Don't worry about the job right now. Once you get the PR card, hey, then you can apply for any job. Lata Chauhan, I hope that answers your question. Sarabjit Singh, sir, Canada tourist visa? I don't know what's the question. Cash किन्ना bank balance चाहिए है? Sir, Sarabjit Singh, bank balance ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਇਦਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਕਿ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ bank balance ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ show ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ tourist visa ਮਿਲ ਹੀ ਜਾਏਗਾ. You need to have adequate funds to show that whatever your purpose of travel is, that you can meet this. Maybe some inviters calling, maybe they will pay. So ਇਦਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਕਿ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਕਰੋੜਾਂ ਦਿਖਾ ਲਿਆ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ tourist visa ਨਹੀਂ. Whatever your money is, show legal documents, your income tax return and stuff. Mubtasim, maybe I'm missing some questions here. Let me just go back quickly. I hope I'm not missing any question. Gokur and I have a Gary Sharma I've talked. Abdul Rahman I've already talked to. Amir Khan, rejected case in Express Entry. Yes, Amir Khan, I deal with rejected case in entry. If you have some cases, let me know. Send me your refusal letter. Amir Khan, yes, I deal with them. Archana Snowball, so hello, sir. Thank you very much for guide. Next time to guide time to provide. I don't know what your question is. Archana, you can ask me a question or call me directly. Guys, my phone number in Canada right now, if you want to talk to me live, not only type, if you want to talk to me, call this number, 780-707-4831. That's my number in Canada, in Edmonton. I'm in Edmonton right now. ERS, I've already talked about Victor Tramp. Lata Chauhan, I will talk to you. Sarabjit Singh, tourist visa, I will talk to you. Malik Sajjad Nawaz, how are you? Are you in Pakistan? I love Pakistani shows. One of my favorite shows I'm watching on Urdu One is about a girl called Bagi. You know that guy. What's his name? Kamal Kandil Baloch. I'm watching her movie. It's a very interesting movie. I think you should watch if you have not. Do you have any idea when BC province will open at PNP? What do you mean BC province? I mean, sometimes they will open it because when they have a quota, they don't tell me or they don't tell any special purpose. So you got to keep watching the website. I do not have any special access to their internal information when they're opening. All right. So I hope you're not very disappointed my answer. Amir Khan, Express Entry of score less than the required, then can I get nomination if you try? Amir Khan, the nomination The nomination process for all provinces is very clearly on the website. Most provinces require a job offer or some kind of previous connection like Manitoba. So unless you have those, and if you're overseas, you can apply. If you don't have, then there's nothing anybody can do. All right. So I hope that satisfies your question. Mubtasim Chaudhry, sir, tell me why Canada not giving student visas to Pakistani students? No, Mubtasim Chaudhry, why are you saying this? I mean, Pakistani students are not getting study visa. That is not true. I know many Pakistani students in Canada who are here who are on study visa. So they have got the visa from Islamabad, so they are here. I do not know how you can say that they are not giving. That's not true. It is possible that many students in Pakistan do not know how to apply. They don't have the requisite documents. They don't have any proper way to show bona fides. That is a possibility, but that is not correct to say that Pakistani students are not getting the visa. They are getting. I know many Pakistani students in Alberta who are on study visa, all right, from Pakistan. So I hope that answers your question. Mubtasim Chaudhry. Gurdat Singh. Gurdat Karaji, I am a CNC programmer, CMC operator, and diploma in mechanical engineering, plus 3 years experience. What should I apply for Canada? Any visa? Yes, CNC programmer. CNC programmer is a federal skill trade class, so you got to have a job offer to apply. All right. So if you don't have a job offer, that means you don't qualify for express entry. Maybe you should come on a student visa, no matter what your age gap is or study gap is. You should come on a study visa to a study advance. There's an organization called NAIT in Edmonton, NAIT.ca. Go to website. Check it out, and then you should apply for some advanced programming course in CNC. I think you will be successful and get a student visa. Mohammed Abdul Rahman, your email ID. I wrote my email ID. Let me just write this one more time. I have to type it now, actually. Oh, man, that's saying, should I here? I'm going to write my email ID. Anyway, if you are on the Facebook, you can see my email ID by going to my Facebook profile, but this is my email ID right on the screen. I hope you can see it. That's what Abdul Rahman. Amir Khan can type a number here. I'll write it down. My email address is right there. My number in Canada is this, 780-707-4831. And here you go. This is my phone number in Canada. All right. So this also has WhatsApp. So if you do +1 and then do this number, you can get your WhatsApp. Lata Chauhan, thank you, sir. Lata, you are welcome. Lata Chauhan, where are you? I do not know. Your name looks familiar. Navjot Singh. Sir, hi. I've done my diploma in hospitality management in 2007-8. If I grab my experience now by working in a restaurant for the next 2 years, yes, of course, Navjot, that is correct. So it does not matter. You have your hospitality management diploma in 2007. If you do your experience now, you're fine. In express entry, they look at the experience in the past 10 years. So anything from 2007 till now, all relevant experience will be counted. So the answer is yes, you can use that experience to be eligible. Gurdat Singh, I applied for Quebec in fact, but now agency rules have changed the areas. Yes, Gurdat Singh, yes, the rules have changed. There are some rules changed in some areas of training. You should ask your lawyer or agent, anybody, because they took money, right? Most of these agents and lawyers, I mean, for example, if I take money from somebody, it is my duty to give you proper customer service all throughout the thing. It is just not enough to take money and then forget about you. So you need to ask your agent or consultant who took the money to contact the Quebec and find out what those changes are and see if your category can be changed or withdrawn or you should apply again. So Gurdeep Singh, that is what you should do. That is what I will do if I were you, all right? I hope your consultant is licensed, first of all, in Quebec. Mohan Sandhu, where are you? I like your name, Mohan and Sandhu. Hi, I'm Mohan Sandhu, age 39. Can I get study visa at this age? Did my BCom 99, 2009. Did my MBA distance learning. If you already have done MBA, Mohan Sandhu, what are you studying in Canada? What will you study? I mean, you better have some good program to study because you already have an MBA. I mean, are you looking to do a double MBA or a PhD? You better have some good course that is relevant to your background, and that's why you will be able to successfully apply for the study visa. All right. So age, not the age, is the relevant course that is more important than the age. Always Jagadish, always. I like your name, always Jagadish. Once we get degree from a Canadian university, what is the possibility of PR? Jagdish, you have a brilliant question. Once you get a degree from Canada, if it's a 2-year degree, you'll get a 3-year work permit. If you get a 4-year degree, then you get a 3-year work permit. Maximum is 3-year work permit. If you do a 1-year diploma, then you get a 1-year postgraduate work permit. Once you have this work permit, then what you need to do is you need to apply for work, get skilled job experience for minimum 1 year, and then you apply under Canadian experience class, and that's how you become PR. Literally all students who come to Canada on a valid study visa, if they study well, if they graduate, if they have the experience, everybody will get the PR, provided there's no medical problem, there's no misrepresentation problem, there's no criminal problem. All right. So I hope you understand my answer. Always Jagdish. I like your name, Jagdish. Gokarna Nipune, it is compulsory to get IELTS for chef or cook. Amajot. Yes, there is a requirement for IELTS for chef category in express entry. Also, it is a lower requirement. I don't remember. I think it's CLB IELTS 5 or 5.5 or so. But you need to go there. It is a lower requirement than federal skilled worker. So, but yes, it is compulsory. Gokarna Nipune. That's. I hope you like my answer. Malik Sajjad Nawaz, people who have received direct ITA from they are getting the application outcome very soon, but on the other hand, PNP application taking too long. Can you please elaborate? What is the reason? Oh, wonderful. Malik Sajjad, I think you are a lawyer or consultant. You have a brilliant question. The thing is, once people have the ITA and they electronically submit all the documents, the government has promised to put the focus on express entry efficiency. That means within 6 months, they are promising to finalize and end the application and give yes or no, give the visa. On the other hand, PNPs are not bound by this efficiency goal. PNPs are quota-driven applications. That means the quota is finished, they will stop working and then wait for the next year to restart the button. Once the person has a PNP application and it goes to the federal government does not have any urgency on completing the PNP application. They will take 18 months or 2 years or so. But alternatively, if somebody has a PNP and they have a job offer, they can apply for work permit directly without an LMIA, and I can help you, and I can help anybody doing that. I hope you like my answer. My answer is correct, though. Maybe you not like my answer, but that is the reality in Canada, all right? Malik Sajjad Nawaz, all right. What else? Who else is asking question? Jacob Shavi, I like your last name, Shavi. What is this, Shavi? I have done masters in English and I have experience of 6 years in training and teaching. Should be important for you to IELTS. Yes, Jacob Shavi, everybody needs IELTS. Even if you are a professor of English where you are living right now, you may be the best English teacher in the whole wide world. Canadian government will still ask you to take the IELTS. All right, so it does not matter. That is the reality. I wanted to show you an example. I was working in a law office about 10 years ago in Canada with some lawyer, and I was new to this business, and I was doing an application for an English person, like a British guy who was working in the University of Alberta. He was a professor of English in England, in Cambridge, I think Cambridge or Oxford. And I told him, God, you have to take the English test. And he said, why? I'm an English professor. Why do you have to take English test? And I says, no. And he did not agree to me. And he sent the application. His application was sent back by the CIC saying, look, you have to take the English test. So British person, born in England, English professor, teaching in Cambridge, where IELTS is. Actually, they made the curriculum. Even that person has to take the IELTS test. So, all right, so if he has to take the IELTS, everybody else has to. All right, I hope you follow my point. Dharamveer. There was a movie called Dharamveer. I hope you remember Dharamveer, Amitabh Bachchan and Dharamveer. Truck driver, LMIA, I need, sir. As you know, what is the condition within Canada getting LMIA? All supporting document, what do you say when you get a job, LMIA? Dharamveer, you have all the documents. All you need is a trucking company who likes you. Any trucking company in Canada who likes you, ask them to call me and I can do the LMIA application for you. It will take 3-4 months. All right. Who else is asking question? Gokarna Nupene. Thank you, sir. Gokarna, thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Henry Sarah is asking, what about Manitoba Mono B farming visa? I don't know, what does Mono B, Henry Sarah? Farming visa, yes. There is a farming visa for for people who are farmers, I mean, this is an entrepreneur program. That means you have to have a certain net assets and net worth, and then you have to be able to invest, and then you can get the PNP nomination as of farming. All right, so that's what it is. What you said is Manitoba MPS, MPNPB farming, business farming. That's what I meant. So that's what we need. I hope you have all the, Henry Salah, you have all the documents. You must have farming experience. You must have documents to show that you are doing farming. What is your project? What will you grow in Manitoba? And you must have money to buy farm in Manitoba. You need, typically, I would say minimum of 350,000 and up to buy a sizable farm in Manitoba, because it's expensive, and that's how you do. All right, thank you very much, Malik Sajjad Nawaz. Thank you very much. Oh, thank you much for explaining. Do not say very. Thank you. You're welcome, Malik Sajjad Nawaz. Your glasses look very cool. Are they Ray-Ban? They look smart on these dark shades. All right. Sonal Mishra Viju, please advise me to apply for my sister who is a nurse. Guide me how she can work and settle. Sonal Mishra, are you in Canada? When you ask about a sister, I think you are in Canada. You are trying to bring your sister to Canada. She can apply for express entry, and she will get extra points because she has a sister like you as a PR or citizen in Canada. So ask her to look at her express entry points. That is the best way forward for your sister. All right. So now Mishra Viju. Tahir Mahmood, I am Tahir from Kuwait, working as an IT professional. I am very much interested in working in Canada. What's the solution? IT professional, Tahir, you need to either find a job on your own by talking to different companies and sending a resume there. There's no magic way to bypass this. You have to do hard work to find the job, or forget about all of those. You're IT professional, improve your English, put up an express entry application, become a PR, come to Canada on a PR with your family. That's the best, and then you can search any job you want. All right. So I hope that's what is. Tahir Mahmood question. Tahir Mahmood, can you arrange job for me? No, Tahir Mahmood, I am not in the job arranging business. That is left for brokers and other people who want to violate the law because they are charging a lot of money. And I do not support charging money for finding jobs. That's why I'm not in business. I am in the business of practicing of immigration law, dealing with appeals, refusal, dealing with the Immigration Refugee Board appeals, of filing an application on behalf of you, talking to visa officers, arguing why they should not disapprove your application. That's the work I do. All right. So I represent people to the government of Canada, but I am not in the business of arranging jobs. I hope you don't mind. That is my answer. Always Jagdish, thanks for valuable live information. Always Jagdish, I love your comments and I love your name. Always Jagdish. It's a wonderful name. Where are you? I don't know where are you. Tell me where you are. Tahir Mahmood, I am 50-year-old mature man. Tahir Mahmood, no problem. You will not get points for age, but hey, who knows? You should nonetheless make the express entry profile and then search for jobs in Ontario and Atlantic provinces in the east side. Maybe somebody will hire you. But hey, you have to give it a try. What can I say? We have the age, and someday we will age. You are 50-year-old. I'm also 50-year-old. So we are on the same boat. Malik Sajjad Nawaz, at the moment, CLB 9 hours give additional points. You can express some relaxation. Malik Sajjad Nawaz, no, I don't anticipate any relaxation in IELTS requirement in the future for now. I think Canada needs people who are strong in some language, whether English or French. So I do not see those English requirements are going down anytime soon. Amjad Ali, I like the name Amjad Ali. There was an actor called Amjad Khan in a movie called Sholay, if you watch Bollywood. So please tell me on Messenger. I cannot tell on Messenger. I'm talking here, so you can ask me question right here. I cannot type separately on Messenger. Let me see. Gurdit Singh saying, I applied for Quebec, right? So yeah, I answered that question. You got for an employee now. Quebec has changed the single ones and saying they are training. I've sent my PR because of your message really helped me. Somebody, I only paid Indian 70K rupees to somebody, right? So Gurdit Singh, there's only one lawyer at one time who can deal with your file in Quebec. So if he does not, he has to withdraw, then I can take your case. Otherwise, I cannot help you. I cannot interfere in any lawyer representing your case. So maybe you should ask your lawyer to call me just in case we want to talk and discuss the case. All right. I hope you like my suggestion. Jagmeet Singh sir, tell me what farm worker. There's no such thing as farm worker. There is a worker, but where's the job? I do not know. A lot of people from India and other countries, they tell me, look, some consultant is offering them work permit as a farmer, as a working in the farmer, but I've never, seen a real farm worker. I mean, I do not know where these jobs are. You better see some LMI and a job offer first, Jagmeet. Always Jagdish, I'm from Hyderabad. I'll reach you by email. Yes, Jagdish, I like Hyderabad. I was in Hyderabad once or twice, and I like the Charminar, and the food is great. And I like the Hyderabad airport is also very great, very high tech. Tahir Mahmood, IELTS also required. Yes, IELTS is required, Tahir Mahmood. Subham Kashyap Sharma, this is Subham from Qatar, working as health safety officer under one of the leading construction, one of migrating areas. Subham Kashyap, express entry. If you type my name on YouTube, you'll see many videos. One of the videos is also on my website. One of the videos is about how to apply for express entry and assess your points. That's what you should do, and that's how you should apply. All right. So if you don't know how to do this, I have to charge some money. That's why I earn my living. All right. So I charge $220 to consult on a specific cases individually. And you are welcome to take advantage of the videos, and then you can take this advantage. But for now, right now, we need to focus on the live issues at present, and then we can go from there. All right, thank you very much, Tahir Mahmood. I'm IT man. Yes, you are IT man. That's fine. IT is also is part of the occupation, and that's how you should apply. You will qualify an express entry. Unable to listen the audio. I think my microphone is on. Are you sure you're unable to listen the audio? I mean, things are working. I think so. If not, then we probably have to start all over again. All right. Thank you. I'll try to end this broadcast and do it again. I'll try to do it in a few, perhaps a few 10 minutes or so. Thanks.